In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitrix for CRM and project management. Hi everyone! If you're new to Bitrix24, think of it as your central place to manage customers, tasks, and team collaboration. We'll keep things simple and practical so you can start working smarter right away. First, let's use the CRM. Log into your Bitrix24 workspace, then look to the left menu and click CRM. Here you'll see options like leads and deals. Leads are potential customers you haven't qualified yet, while deals are opportunities that are actively moving toward a sale. To add a new customer, choose either leads or deals and click Add. Enter the key details that help your team follow up confidently. Things like the company or contact information, the source of the inquiry, and any notes that will provide context for your next steps. When you're happy with the information, click Save. Keeping your entries clear and consistent will make searching and reporting easier later, and it helps everyone on your team stay aligned. Now, let's manage tasks and projects. In the left menu, click Tasks and Projects. To create a task, select Add Task. Give your task a clear name, assign it to the right person, and set a realistic deadline so expectations are visible to everyone. Then click Save. If you're working on a larger initiative, use projects to organize multiple tasks together under one umbrella. Inside a project, you can see progress from different angles. Switch to the Kanban view to track work as it moves from stage to stage, which is great for simple workflows. Or use the Gantt chart to visualize timelines and see how tasks line up across the calendar. These views help you spot bottlenecks and keep projects on schedule without digging through long lists. Finally, collaboration ties it all together. Use Messenger to communicate with your team directly inside Bitrix24, so conversations live alongside your work. Quick questions, status updates, and follow-ups are easier to manage when they're in context. For project documents, share files via Drive. This keeps everything in one place and ensures your team is always working from the latest version. A clear folder structure and consistent file names will save time and reduce confusion. And that's how you use Bitrix24 for CRM and project management. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If this walkthrough helped, let me know in the comments what you want to learn next.